shadows fall and day turns dark, I kneel to pray you leave your mark. Through every trial I'm never alone, your steady hand my guiding stone. By faith I walk, no fear remains through every storm. You break my chains, your grace uplifts a perfect plan. With every step I feel your hand. Though winds may rage and doubts appear, your constant promise calms all fear. Your truth my ground, my song, my light, my strength and refuge through the night. By faith I walk, no fear remains through every storm. You break my chains, your grace uplifts a perfect plan. With every step I feel your hand. When paths grow dim and hard to tread, your gentle light shines straight ahead. No fear can hold me, make me stray. With you beside, I find my way. By faith I walk, no fear remains through every storm. You break my chains, your grace uplifts a perfect plan. With every step I feel your hand.
Morning breaks, a golden ray, chasing shadows far away. Through winding paths I won't lose sight, guided by a gentle light. He walks with me, I'm never lost. No matter what the road has cost, his steady hand, it shows the way, turning darkness into day. When worries creep and fears grow near, a quiet promise calms each tear. Though storms may rage and skies turn gray, his truth will always light my way. He walks with me, I'm never lost. No matter what the road has cost, his steady hand, it shows the way, turning darkness into day. The world may shake, the night grow long, but in his heart I still belong. a love so deep it knows no end. My truest, most faithful friend. He walks with me, I'm never lost. No matter what the road has cost, his steady hand, it shows the way, turning darkness into day. Dawn paints the sky a gentle hue. I breathe your promise, fresh and new. Through shifting sands and stormy seas, your quiet presence brings me peace. You are my compass, my true north star, healing every wound and every scar. Your grace a river flowing free, forever leading home to me. When shadows fall and hopes grow dim, I find my strength deep within Him. This rocky ground, this winding way, you light my path from night to day. You are my compass, my true north star, healing every wound and every scar. Your grace a river flowing free, forever leading home to me. No matter where this journey goes, through highest peaks, through deepest woes, your faithful whisper lights my way, from dusk until the break of day. You are my compass, my true north star, healing every wound and every scar. Your grace a river flowing free, forever leading home to me.
As morning breaks, a brand new dawn's embrace. Your loving presence fills this sacred space. Through winding paths and valleys steep and low, I feel your fire within my spirit glow. When heavy rain begins to softly fall, I hear your whisper answering every call. My heart beats steady, guided by your grace, finding strength and peace in this moment's place. You light the way, I will not stumble down your loving call. A sweet and certain sound with every pulse, a sacred rising song. Your endless power makes strong. The open highway stretches bright and far, guided by your constant shining star. No worldly fear can ever touch my soul. You make my weary spirit truly whole. Across the land, through every changing scene, your steadfast love, a vibrant living sheen. No night too long, no shadow too profound. With you beside me, safe on holy ground. You light the way, I will not stumble down. Your loving call, a sweet and certain sound. With every pulse, a sacred rising song. Your endless power makes me truly strong. A vibrant rhythm resonating deep inside, where joyful praises now forever ride. I raise my voice, let heartfelt freedom ring, the glorious hope your presence always brings. My hands uplifted, reaching for the sky. Beneath your gaze, I truly learn to fly. You light the way, I will not stumble down. Your loving call, a sweet and certain sound. With every pulse, a sacred rising song. Your endless power makes me truly strong.